Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. In the matter placed before this court, it has been argued that the right to education recognized under international conventions, including the resolutions of UNESCO, must be interpreted in a manner that secures the interest of young men and women of this country. Full stop. The state has a constitutional obligation to ensure that social and economic barriers do not create ramifications that deprive students of their fundamental rights. Full stop. The sudden switch over to online learning during emergencies compelled every student to depend upon a smartphone and other digital gadgets. Full stop. However, the question arises whether equal access to such resources was guaranteed in practice. Full stop. It has been submitted that in several regions, including neighboring Bangladesh, courts have examined the issue of digital education and have concluded that denial of access amounts to discrimination. Full stop. In our country, also gendered inequality has surfaced because many households gave preference to boys over girls in the use of digital resources. Full stop. The evidence produced shows frequent misuse of online platforms by commercial operators and the arbitrary closure of certain facilities in school and colleges. Full stop. The court cannot remain abreast of these realities without considering the long period of confinement within homes during which the burden of household responsibilities and daily chores fell disproportionately on girls and boys. Full stop. The court notes that both boys and girls must be tended equally and that the state must regulate platforms so that educational fall outs do not widen the gap between privileged and underprivileged students. Full stop. The affidavits filed by several educational institutions indicate that the entire academic calendar revolved around examinations without sufficient measures to nurture talent or to pursue higher skills. Full stop. In such a situation, the scope for creativity among children and the shaping of a balanced lifestyle were seriously affected. Full stop. The counsel for the petitioners contended that the digital divide has become an impediment to the realization of the constitutional goal of equality. Full stop. It was further urged that unless the state takes active steps to provide resources and training, the future of millions of children will remain uncertain. Full stop. The court is of the opinion that the matter cannot be treated lightly. Full stop. The right to education cannot be limited to physical classrooms alone, and it extends to creating an enabling environment where every student, irrespective of social background, receives the benefit of digital resources. Full stop. Therefore, comma, it is directed that the government shall take immediate steps to frame guidelines ensuring equitable access to smartphones and gadgets, full stop and over। सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर more dictations। Thanks to all, be practice for a better future।